Ka National Institute of Fashion Technology Shillong. Kala penlong ya ka craft bazar ka ba arsngi ha NIFT campus ha Sauli Maupan. Hadin ka jing yok mensiem na ka Swadeshi movement jong ukpa ka jat benre u MK Gandhi. Ka program kala inam ya ki babun jat ki jing tanjan bat ki jing tan kti na keleng ki tan chtai lami ngi jong kari. Kidan kumbakat Saudi ki dukan ki bala penyeng bat inam bat di ki tiar kitar jong arpu arngut ki nong shna bat ki nong tanjan na Assam na Manipur, na Nagaland, na Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, bat na Meghalaya. Kitiar ki belapan inam bat di ha katai kayo ki kentup ya ki tu ki basna na ki sit ki jingdang pen internet ki jan ki sentiu terkong ki kra kendo bat ki wei. Ha bakran nak ni kesngi uhaj dudung u director textiles and handicraft ka sarkar jong ka Arunachal Pradesh uloong ba ka jala Arunachal Pradesh kala persang bandon ya katu kat ni ki kam badang shen ula IT ya ka jing terwa banya trailang bat ka NIFT Shillong. Bat lada ka sarkar ka menjur en sa penlong ya ka program bat ka ni ka shlem ai jing hikai.
Artisan individually or whoever artisans, it is combined with their design. It is combined with their traditional. That is some diversification, some diverse product with the motive of the traditional touch of the tribe. Then only we can have the product, more product, we can have the other product in the common market.